Hi, good evening all. Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I'm going to explain about organization psychology. In organization psychology, also known as industrial psychology, we can say that organization behavior is a scientific study of human behavior in the workplace. Its goals are to improve the effectiveness, health, and well being of both individuals and organization, which is the most important part in the organization. Organization psychology study involves internal states, interpersonal interactions, organization structures, work, motivational, leadership, and team performance. So, organization psychologists uses their knowledge to solve the problems at work, increase the employee productivity, then develop the screening processes for new applicants, increases the overall workplace quality, get to the root of the work related issues, develop training programs, assess climate, and develop incentives for employees. So, these are all the main concentration points in the organizations. Some examples of organization psychology research includes carrying the most important part in the organization industrial psychology is. So, how often have a strong communication skill to the interact with the employees, resolve the difficulties, a positive workplace to create a positive culture in the organizations. So, focuses the psychology point. It's a science on a key aspects of human life, namely their work lives in the general as well as the goal oriented. Psychology, why we are given the term is psychology is nothing but trained in the uh, mm, mental health of the employees as a applied psychology field, and it is a discipline involves both research and practice. So we can't say that just like that we can run the organization without understanding the employees mindset, the especially the industrial and organization psychology is characterized by the scientific study of the human behavior in the organization and the workplace. The specialty focuses on deriving the principles of individual, group, and the organization behavior and applying this knowledge to the solution of the problems at work. Though specialized knowledge, like a specialized knowledge and the training in the science of the behavior in the workplace required in the depth of the knowledge of the organization development, like attitudes, career development, decision through the human performance and human factors, consumer behavior, small group theory, and process. Criticize the theory and development, job, task analysis, individual assessment. All this will involve. So we'll see the what is the problem can be addressed. The speciality of the industrial organization psychology addresses the issues of recruitments like selection and placement, training and development, performance measurement, workplace motivation and reward systems, quality of work life, structure of the work and human factors, organizational development, and consumer behavior. Like these are the focuses, the mainly on the human behavior at workplace. So, what are the skills required to develop the positive aspects in the organizations. So human in the organizational problem in the context of the organized workplace. When everything is systematically organized, so the workplace will also have a very pleasant work condition to work employee in the organization. So organization psychology plays a very important role in any organization. Thank you.